Number 1. Aosu Outdoor Security Camera System. This outdoor security camera system from Aosu stands out as one of the best options for 2024. Imagine having a security camera setup that doesn't just offer high-quality footage, but also comes with no hidden fees or subscriptions. The Aosu system features a 32-gigabyte home base that stores all your recordings locally, providing up to 2 months of video loop storage. This means your data remains secure even if the cameras are damaged or stolen. Plus, you'll receive instant notifications and stable live streaming right from the home base. What makes this system truly exceptional is its built-in solar panel. With just a few hours of sunlight each day, the camera remains powered, even on cloudy or rainy days. The installation process is a breeze, taking only 5 minutes with 3 simple screws. The Aosu cameras offer a comprehensive 360-degree coverage with pan and tilt capabilities, eliminating blind spots and ensuring that every angle around your home is monitored. The 2K resolution provides crystal-clear images, day or night, enhanced by 4 LED lights for superior color night vision. Automatic motion tracking allows the camera to follow and record movements, providing thorough surveillance without the need for constant manual adjustments. If you're looking for a top-notch security solution with advanced features and zero ongoing costs, the Aosu Outdoor Security Camera system is a fantastic choice.